places where I.
Hi, good morning beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So by the way, it's been a long time I haven't uploaded a video, and today we're heading to the city because we're going to do a lot of things. I haven't uploaded a video because I'm busy in school. At the same time, I have a lot of reports to do and a lot of topics to study, and we are here outside the house, and we're preparing to go to the city and to get some random things. I just brought with me some of my reviewers, and yeah, weather is pretty good today, and today is actually the 16th of August, and I haven't uploaded a video for about 2 weeks. And by the way, my father is doing great already, thanks God. He's fine, and he is having maintenance of the medication for his kidney and for his hypertension and diabetes. So I hope everything's going to be well, and yeah, so we have our breakfast, and then we going to take off somewhere today to get some random things. So if you guys interested to watch this video, just keep on watching. Alright, so we are here already at the city. As you can see, it's traffic. We are going straight to the SM City. We're gonna grab our lunch there. So we're gonna transfer, take off on the other side. Okay.
My goodness.
We're here already at SM City, so we are glad we find a parking right away. We are here at A1, so we're going out to have our lunch. I'm gonna update you guys later on. Hi guys, we're here at Barrow SM City, so we grab our lunch here. We have some green salad, and I have some pepperoni pizza. This one's having, what do you have? Pasta?
Spaghetti.
Yeah, so just join us for our lunch, guys.
Dia ba indicator sir?
you have indicator to use it, sir. You can see the
60?
60% the battery, and you can the 88 hours you can use this appliances. If you input the another appliances, you can see the hours you can use.
The solar panel chargeable?
Yes, sir. To sunlight, sir. It's depend to the weather.
How far I can reach with that? The sun is outside, not inside the house.
Yes, sir.
So you get extension?
They have also they have extension for their free. Wala ba ang
Requesting SUC Kevin to CS, please. SUC Kevin to CS, please.
charge? Charge.
This one too?
Pero may free na sila.
Output na sila na? For this one only? You get that with this one?
Yes, sir. If you buy this, I will. No, sir. If you buy this, they have free only panel.
How strong is this panel?
They have 2-year lifespan and 1 year, 10 years lifespan. This solar and 1 year warranty. But this item is
How many watts those panels give out?
120 watts.
120?
Yes, 120.
How strong panel I can put over here? How strong?
You can charge it through 4 to 5 hours. You can charge through solar 4 to 5 hours. And also, you can charge your laptop, cell phone.
Yeah.
Tapos they have a BMS battery management system that if you charge the electricity, once the battery is full charged, automatic off. That's why it's very self-sufficient. You have a 12 volts for your car.
For my car?
If you're
Traveling?
yes, sir.
And?
For vacuum cleaner.
Then balik.
Wi-Fi, hi.
Yes, ma'am. Wi-Fi mo, ma'am.
Wi-Fi.
Router nyo. Ilang gamamig? 16,999 sir. 11.
Pila ka?
999 lang sir. 300 watts.
300 watts. Ang nga to ya?
1,000 watts.
1,000?
We have US battery and lithium. US battery. Mga electric fan na aswin dito sa mga maglapo sa 1,000 na pakatian. May promotion nun. Fast charging, 1.5 hours lang yung charging time through electricity. And you can use 16 hours. 16 hours through 75 watts electricity. And we have an indicator. So the way is
So this is for power.
Yes, sir. This is an outlet for AC. And at the same time, you can use also if you want to charge your laptop.
So this is power.
Yes, sir.
DC,
This outlet, sir.
this one is.
This outlet, DC. And you can click this outlet.
Okay, this is C type.
USB through your laptop, sir. See? And USB cell phone.
This is C type.
Yes, C type. Yeah.
Enter your card number.
You have also inside your cell phone.
Where you connect this?
Yes, sir. Here, sir.
Where?
Here, sir. Here.
Requesting Mega Fresh Coordinator to plumbing section, please.
No. I have no. You have
Oh,
excuse me,
adapter.
excuse me.
Very good. Now we're talking.
This is a charger for your
Car?
Yes, 12 volts. And also through the electricity. It's a fast charging 1.5 hours.
Where do you plug that? Where you plug that?
Here, sir.
Inside.
Inside, isa. Then this is for solar
Oh,
panel.
okay. Okay.
Red to red,
Red to red and
black to red.
then you connect it here.
Yes, sir. Black, red to red.
Yeah.
Mga black here. And also through the power sockets. Through the electricity. They have 5 years warranty.
5 years?
5 years warranty.
As well as not human error, ma'am. For example,
What?
As long as not human error.
Yes.
As long as not human error.
error.
Oh.
For example, you made a...
You see, I'm a human error. I'm born.
Yes.
May TV makamali sir, no?
Ma'am?
May TV makamali.
TV.
Para, why?
No.
They don't have TV here. TV.
Oh, I thought you said we can plug it in TV.
Okay.
So, how many days power I get if I plug in TV?
It depends to your wattage of your TV, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. It depends your... We have different wattage yes for TV, sir. If you plug if you input your appliances, you can see the hours of your usage.
Right now we have 75%
Yes.
power in there.
For example, you can put this AC 2 seconds, delay 2 seconds for the safety as well. And you can see the number of hours you can use. 24.5, more than 25 hours.
24 hours?
Yes. You
And this
plug-
one, how many hours? Right now?
66.4, 66 hours, 0.4.
66 hours?
Yes. We accept, also sir, we accept installment 6 months sir, interest. Very nice.
Installment?
Yes sir.
How much is the
6
installment?
months sir, interest. It depends to your card.
My what?
It depends to your card. 6 months sir, interest.
6 months zero interest.
You have a promotion ma'am. 50,000. Just 50,000. Pre-owned lang. Louis T. It's a very popular power station. It's a US brand. US brand. It's a US brand, sir. So, camping, outdoor adventure, you can use this.